On November 18th, 2020, at 67k subs, my channel SKDR Films received one violation strike and was immediately disabled permanently. I appealed, but while hoping for the best and getting ready for the worst, I took the proactive route to create this new channel. This is Kurt welcoming you here. Thank you very much to everyone who participated in my videos and to everyone who supported my channel through the years. We will regroup and we will rebuild. See you all again soon.